Hi, I am Dr. Aida Başgül Martin. In this video, I will show you today how to upload a file as an assignment submission in Canvas. I have this question almost every semester from one or two students and decided to give a visual step-by-step explanation to guide whoever is in need. It is really simple if you know the steps. First step is to open your school Canvas page and find your course that you want to submit a file. Then find the Assignments tab on the left column of your course navigation as shown in the picture, and click the assignment link. To take your attention to right point, I used blue rectangle shape to mark throughout this video. When you click the Assignments tab, it will allow you to see all the assignments you are permitted to see by your instructor. You need to locate and click the title of the assignment that you want to work on to start. Then you will be able to see a page looks similar to this. Make sure to read all the details given to you by your instructor. For example, in this particular assignment, it states that you will earn 5 points upon completing. It will be available to submit on May 8 at 8 a.m. and due on May 18 at 11:59 p.m. That means for you, if you try to submit before or after the due dates, you will not be able to submit your file. You must submit in your earliest convenience between these days and times. And also notice, make sure to add the correct file type. In this assignment, there is an information about what type of file is allowed to submit. It requests to download a PDF file. If the assignment requires PDF, you should not try to add JPEG or HEIC, which it will not allow you to do that. First, change your document extension to required file type before any attempt. Then click the Submit Assignment button as marked with the blue rectangle shaped marker. To upload a file from your computer, click the Choose File button. At the bottom of the window, you will click the Choose or Browse button depending on your browser. To upload a file you already uploaded to Canvas, click the Click Here to find a file link. The file list will expand. Click the name of the file you wanted. If you haven't downloaded before and it's first time, when the file window appears, locate and click the name of the file in your computer, USB, etc. If you have access to upload a file from Google Drive, you can submit a Google file by clicking the Google Doc tab. If you need to upload another file, click the Add Another File link. Note that you can only upload additional files it's already in your computer. And know that Canvas does not support file uploads larger than 5 GB as of now. And finally, click the Submit Assignment button. As a last step, make sure to view the confirmation of your assignment submission. If you follow these steps, you will be completing your task fabulously. I hope it helps. Make sure to like, share, subscribe button below to be informed upcoming videos, and feel free to leave a comment below.